Good day. Each year, the 25th of May marks Africa Day to reflect on the formation of the Organization of African Unity in 1963, now known as the African Union. The day commemorates the progress African nations have made towards greater unity and socio-economic development. We are also called to reflect on the challenges we face and pivot solutions. It is a day to celebrate Africa's history, diversity, resilience, and aspirations for a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable future. In this regard, UJ hosted Africa Day celebrations at the Auckland Park Kingsway Fountain Court to reflect on the progress we have made and celebrate what it means to be African. I wish you all a happy Africa Day. As former President Thabo Mbeki's famous "I am an African" speech reminds us, nothing can stop us now. Thank you.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.